Good morning, everybody, and welcome to part 7 of the total hip replacement series with Highland Cycles. As you can see, I am up and crutching around my neighborhood. This is day 4 after complete hip replacement with the Steadman Clinic up in Vail by Dr. Joel Mata, one of the pioneers of the anterior approach hip replacements. I'm down to one crutch. That's awesome. Can actually get around. I can hold this silly camera up here for you guys too. And I actually feel like I'm finally turning a corner. It's really feeling a lot better. I am down to one oxycodone every 6 hours, maybe even less. I went 12 hours without it last night, and I feel pretty good, really. I was taking one now, but from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. I didn't have any. That felt good. I hate taking those things. They're not good for you, and I have struggled with some addiction issues in the past with those things. Nothing horrible, but man, it scared me for sure. So yeah, kind of a recap. Surgery was on Wednesday morning, came home Wednesday night, which is crazy. Spent Thanksgiving with family and all that, but in a lot of pain and really uncomfortable. Friday was also incredibly uncomfortable. I kept expecting to feel better, but it just wasn't. Yesterday, Saturday, was actually pretty good. Really started to feel better. Feel like it was the pain and suffering were subsiding, so that was awesome. And then woke up today feeling pretty good. Good enough to take the dogs for a walk around the block. It is not a breakneck pace, that's for sure. Hey, there's the dog. Hey, dog. Leia. That's a good dog. That's a good dog. But I'm able to do it, so that's awesome. I'm thankful for that. Thankful for being able to kind of just get around. Yeah, it feels good. So, if you are getting ready to or thinking about going through something like this, I'm sure that even I will say here in a few months, oh, it's the best thing ever, I feel so great. You're gonna feel great immediately, because I'm gonna forget about this kind of suffering when I feel great later. But this is for the record. It's hard as crap. I'm a pretty tough guy. I've been through lots of pain and surgeries for other things, and this one's tough. So just know it ain't easy, but it's I'm really excited for the eventual outcome. So there we go, total hip replacement part 7. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you're getting out and spreading the gospel of two wheels. And man, if you're over here on the Western Slope, I hope you're gonna go ride your dirt bikes.